Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is video number 2nd. In first video, we already discussed about introductions, classification and nomenclature of alcohol, phenol and ether. So in this video number 2nd, I am going to tell about topic physical properties of alcohol. So 6 important physical properties. First is physical property of alcohol. Boiling point of alcohol greater than alkanes having equal molecular masses. So this is the reasonable type of question, and every year one reasonable question asking from this chapter. So first topic is boiling point of alcohol greater than alkanes having equal molecular masses. So alcohol ROH, alkane RH. So one example we take like ethanol C2H5OH and alkane propane CH3CH2CH3. So its molecular mass approximately equal 46 gram and its molecular mass 44. So calculate carbon atomic mass is 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16 and hydrogen 1. So to calculate and 46. Then here carbon 12, hydrogen 1, carbon 12, hydrogen 1, carbon 12 and hydrogen 1, and then calculate. So 44 gram. So approximately equal. So its boiling point is 351 Kelvin of ethanol and 231 Kelvin propane. So question is boiling point of alcohol greater than alkane but having equal molecular mass. So reason, because in alcohol oxygen partial negative charge and hydrogen partial positive charge, OH group attached, and here in alkane no OH group. So alcohol ROH. So here partial positive charge at hydrogen and partial negative charge at oxygen. So hydrogen form bonding with other molecule of alcohol but with oxygen. So hydrogen bond are formed and hydrogen bond are strong. So its boiling point increase. So in alcohol, electronegativity of oxygen atom of OH group higher than hydrogen atom. So due to the reason partial negative charge on oxygen atom and partial positive charge on hydrogen atom. So result OH bond becomes polar. And also intermolecular hydrogen bond formed in liquid alcohol, so intermolecular attraction also increase. So higher energy required to break hydrogen bond. So boiling points of alcohol increase. So in alkanes no OH bond, no electronegative charge at oxygen, no oxygen. So its boiling point less than alcohol. Next is second physical property of alcohol, when number of carbon atoms greater than boiling point in linear series of 1 degree alcohols increase gradually. Why? Number of carbon atom increase, like this example CH3OH methanol. But when we go to from methanol to butanol, methanol 1 carbon and butanol 4 carbon. So whenever carbon chain increase in linear series, so number of carbon atom increase, then boiling point in linear series of 1 degree alcohol also increase. So number of carbon atom increase, so that is means intermolecular attraction also forces increase. So boiling point increase gradually. 1 degree to 3 degree isomeric alcohols, their boiling points are decreased. This is third properties of alcohol. 1 degree to 3 degree isomeric alcohol. So 1 degree 3 degree isomeric, like this example, OH group attach this carbon OH group attach this carbon and this carbon attach one carbon, so it is known as 1 degree. OH group attach this carbon and this carbon attach 2 carbon, so this is 2 degree. And OH group this attach this carbon and this carbon 1, 2, 3, 3 degree. So 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. So it is isomeric alcohol. Isomeric alcohol, and we have to see boiling point is. So boiling points are decreased according to the chain, like C in 1 degree alcohol straight chain. OH secondary, you see here methyl group and here ethyl group, and in 3 degree alcohol 3 substitute group are attached. So isomeric chain increase, 1, 2, 3 sides substrate group. So isomeric chain increase, so that is means its boiling points are decreased because number of branches increase, so intermolecular distance also increase, so its attraction also decrease, inversely proportional. So result, boiling point of isomeric alcohol decreases from 1 degree to 3 degree. Next, fourth physical properties of alcohol. Methanol and ethanol are soluble in water. Methanol CH3OH and ethanol C2H5OH are soluble in water, but solubility of alcohol in water decreases with increases in the molecular mass. So what is the meaning of molecular mass? Whenever we have to go from methanol to ethanol, that is means increase molecular mass, so its solubility decrease. So reason, you see ROH attached with water, soluble in water. So in water oxygen and alcohol hydrogen attach and hydrogen bond are formed. So its bond is intermolecular hydrogen bond. So intermolecular hydrogen bond between alcohol and water molecular. So hydrogen bond are formed. So it is means this is polar. So polar alcohol molecules form hydrogen bond with polar H2O molecule, and alcohol is soluble in water, so its solution is aqueous solution. So result is alcohols and water molecules are mutually attracted. Next, lower molecular mass containing methanol CH3OH, ethanol C2H5OH, so are more soluble in water because no chain in methanol and ethanol, so easily soluble in water. Then next is carbon atoms of hydrocarbon group in alcohol increase, like hydrocarbon group, any group of alcohol, but hydrocarbon chain increase, that is means its molecular mass also increase. So molecular mass increase, so inversely proportional of solubility, that is means solubility decrease, because reason, formation of hydrogen bond cannot be possible with increase in length of chain. Next, fifth physical property of alcohol. Boiling point and solubility of alcohol in water with increases number of hydroxyl group, that is means we increase hydroxyl group, so its solubility and boiling point increase. So increase in number of OH groups, so directly proportional number of hydrogen bonds, so increase their boiling point as well as increase solubility in water, like ethanol 1 OH group. Second example, ethane 1,2-diol 2 OH group, and third is propane 1,2,3-triol 3 OH group. Ethanol C2H5OH, ethane 1,2-diol CH2 2 OH group, and propane CH2CH CH2 OH and OH 3 OH group. So whenever hydroxy group increase, so number of hydrogen bond also increase, so its solubility also increase. So see, its boiling point 351 Kelvin, 471 Kelvin, 563 Kelvin. That is means hydrogen bond increase. So hydrogen bond increase. So that is means required energy also increase. So its boiling point increase. Next, physical properties, acidity of alcohol. So acidity of alcohol, what is the meaning of acidity? H plus ion represent acidity. So alcohol, ROH. So ROH, alcohol remove easily H plus ion, so represent acidic nature. So in alcohol, polar OH bond present, and their aqueous solution possess slight acidic properties. Most of alcohols are less acidic than water, exception methanol, CH3OH. So ROH plus H2O, easily proton remove to H2O. So ROC, oxygen 16 group of element. So electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Whenever this bond is break, so one electron aids and one electron accept from hydrogen. So two electrons. So here negative charge because accept electron from hydrogen. So RO minus and H2O accept hydrogen. So oxygen give its electron. So positive charge at oxygen, and its name is alkoxide ion. RO minus, it's known as alkoxide ion, and H3O plus hydronium ion. So question based on this property, acidic property decreases from 1 degree to 3 degree alcohol. So you know 1 degree alcohol, 1 degree alcohol, that is means less chain of alkyl group, 2 degree, 3 degree. So electron releasing group like CH3, C2H5, so that is means increase electron density on OH bond. Electron density increase, that is means its polarity of OH bond, that is means hydrogen bonding increase. So like this 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Here you see OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach one carbon, one alkyl group, 1 degree. Here OH group attach this carbon and this carbon attach 2 alkyl group, 2 degree, and OH group attach this carbon and this carbon attach 3 alkyl group, 1, 2, 3. So here you see OH bonding form the bonding electron releasing group. Here only for electron density increase by 1 alkyl group. Here 2 alkyl group, and here 1, 2, 3. So that is mean in electron density increase at carbon, so not a easily release H plus ion. So acidic property decrease from 1 degree to 3 degree alcohol, but 1 degree alcohol or H plus easily remove, so that is means its acidic nature increase comparison than 3 degree alcohol. So today enough for today. So thank you. Next topic discussed in next video. Thank you so much.